Hello friends, here are some important environment current affairs MCQs for upcoming BPSC. Question number 1, according to the Copernicus Climate Change Service, what marked 2024's global temperature? A, warmest year at plus 1.6 centigrade above pre-industrial levels. B, coldest year since 1850. C, exactly at Paris Agreement 1.5 C target, centigrade target. No notable change. Answer is A. Warmest year at plus 1.6 centigrade above pre-industrial levels. 2024 became the warmest year on the record since 1850, reaching 1.6 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, surpassing the Paris Agreement threshold -8. Question number Paris Agreement threshold. Question number A second. What crucial marine temperature trend was identified in recent climate studies? A, marine heat wave intensity decreased. B, rate of warming quadrupled 1985 to 89 versus 2019 to 23. C, no change detected. D, sea surface temperatures cooling globally. Answer is B, rate of warming quadrupled 1985 to 89 versus 2019 to 23. The rate of sea surface temperature increase rose from 0.06 K per decade in 1985-89 to 0.27 K per decade in 2019-23, a more than fourfold increase. So it is quite more than the previous year. Question number 3, what did recent studies reveal regarding the Arctic carbon dynamics? A, it is an improving carbon sink. B, 30% has become a net CO2 source. C, no change in carbon absorption. D, fully carbon neutral since 2020. Answer is B, become a net CO2 source. A recent study highlighted that at least 30% of the Arctic now emits more CO2 than it absorbs, signaling a concerning reversal in its carbon balance. Next question about the Arctic retreat. Which recent trend was reported? A, consistent glacier growth. 5 of the last 6 years saw record glacier retreats. C, no significant change. D, glacier mass fully restored. Answer is B, 5 of the last 6 years saw record glacier retreat. The WMO reported that glacier retreat in recent years 2022 to 2024 was the most rapid on record, with 5 of the last 6 years experiencing this severe trend. Next question, what did World Weather Attribution find about the February 2025 heat wave? A, climate change had no effect. B, made heat 2 degrees centigrade hotter and 10 times more likely. C, lowered temperatures, reduced heat wave frequency. Answer is B, made 2% centigrade hotter and 10 times more likely. Analysis showed that climate change amplified the February 2025 heat wave, making it at least 2 degrees centigrade hotter and at least 10 times more likely. Next question, what did a February 2025 study estimates as CO2 emissions due to the Ukraine conflict? War-related impacts. A, 50 MTCO 2E, B, 100 MTCO2 E, C, 230 MTCO2 E, D, 500 MTCO2 E. Answer is C, 230 MTCO2 E. The study estimated that the first 3 years of Russia's invasion resulted approximately to 20 to 30 million metric ton of CO2 equivalent emissions due to factors like reconstruction, fires, and displacement. Next question: recently, which city had the highest PM2.5 concentration among capital cities, and which was the most polluted city globally? A. Delhi and Mumbai, B. Delhi and Birmingham, C. Beijing and Delhi, D. Delhi and Kolkata. Answer is B. Delhi and Birmingham. According to the World Air Quality Report, Delhi had the highest PM2.5 among capital cities, and Birmingham, Assam, Meghalaya border was the most polluted city globally. Which Next question: which scheme led Gujarat and mangrove afforestation? A. Project Tiger, B. National Clean Air Program, Mangrove Initiative for Shoreline Habitats and Tangible Incomes. D. Clean Ganga Mission. Answer is C. Misty explanation. It's given like this. Under the Mishti scheme, Gujarat afforested 19,020 hectares of mangrove over 2 years, making it the national leader.